Hi, this is Jody with Hardwoods for Less today. I'm here to talk about solid and engineered flooring and wear layers and how that will manifest itself in the different job applications, job site environment that you will need to consider when installing hardwood flooring. So this is a solid piece of hardwood. This happens to be Brazilian cherry. So you can see from this side angle, if you can see the grain pattern, it goes left to right. This is a plain sawn. So as you might know, wood flooring, when it takes on and releases moisture, expands along the width of the grain. So in this scenario, as all wood takes on moisture, it's going to expand left to right or horizontally along your floor. Now that's fine in most job site applications, particularly in most homes when you don't have huge fluctuations in relative humidity in the room and temperature. But in some job site conditions, think about a super dry environment, maybe you live in the Rocky Mountains, or a super wet environment, maybe you have a coastal home. You might want something that has a little bit more dimensional stability to reduce the potential for shrinking, expanding, cupping, gapping, etc. That's the whole reason engineered flooring was invented. So engineered flooring, as you can tell from this piece, this is a multi-ply plywood core. You know how plywood is made? It's basically peeled wood, very thin layers, as you can tell, that are run opposite and alternating directions. So one goes left, right, the next layer goes up and down, left, right, up and down, etc. And as that wood takes on and releases moisture, the plywood, it'll basically pull against itself, and that's what creates the dimensional stability, so you don't have nearly the chance to have any shrinking and expanding, cupping, gapping issues. On top of that, multi-ply plywood core, that's where you see the actual wear layer of hardwood. This is Brazilian cherry as well. So this is, I believe it's a 3mm wear layer of veneer on top of that engineered core. So these engineered floors are best for the types of job sites I recommended, whether it's super dry or super humid. Also, if you maybe have a vacation home that is not climate controlled year round, that could be another good place to put engineered, because you don't have to worry about those job site conditions staying perfectly comfortable all year long. If you have any questions, please give us a call. We know a ton about this material. We work with manufacturers all day long who produce both solid and engineered, so we're your experts. This is Hardwoods for Less. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.